Nils?
Da?
You enjoying?
Da.
Living a dream?
Da.
Where are we?
We are in the way to the Eagle's View. We just hiked it and we're going down now. It's perfect weather. We thought it's gonna rain, but ne. Nyama. Nyamakak.
Going?
To the Eagle's Eye. It's a panoramic view of the mountains in this region.
But we have a very nice view even here on the way.
It's so lush, yeah.
We are blessed to be here.
Yeah. He said, "You want a picture?" The picture. The. I didn't smile.
You afraid?
You were afraid.
Huh?
You were afraid.
Yeah, I am. Just don't look down.
He's afraid to go to the edge, but we are in Eagle's Eye. I'm afraid I'm gonna.
So on the way down from the platform, you can meet. What's the right word? You can see similar views like the one from the top.
So we're going down from the Eagle's Eye panoramic view. It was hard. It was hard going up. It was like half an hour hike. There's an easy route whatsoever. There's also a harder way. But my guy right there, where is he? Where is my guy? Oh no! He's not clear. So he told me maybe it's basic, but it actually helped that when you go not too fast, go in a steady pace that you can do all day and just breathe properly. Just like how nurses tell their patients if they're in pain to go like do deep breathing and slow deep breathing, like inhale through your nose and out to your mouth. And it's actually hard to do that when you're in the terrain, when you're in the trail, because what I'm doing was like mouth breathing, but it actually helped, so it's good. And the view is nice. We're going down now. It's not too hot. It's mountains and trees, nature, so it's a good experience to do while you're still young and fit and healthy.
If you are not, you can pay. There's a jeep.
Da. So there's also another option. You can go via a jeep or like an off-road vehicle. I think it's 60 leva or 30 pounds. Slowly. It's 30 pounds, isn't it? Per trip.
I don't
Or is it per person?
Maybe per person, maybe per trip. But if you're a group, the drivers are willing to negotiate the price.
They can give you a discount.
Yes.
So that's the Ale, ciao ciao.